Okay children, did you do the homework which I had given in the last class? Exercise 8.1, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now you can check your answer. What was the sixth question? Anuj joined swimming classes on 15th May for 45 days. What is the date of the last class? Here starting date is given here, duration is given here. Here we have to find the last date or the finishing date. Okay, starting date 15th May. Look here, starting date 15th May, then duration 45 days. Okay, it was for 45 days. Here we have to find the last date or the finishing date. Finishing date is equal to starting date plus duration. Okay, finishing date is equal to starting date plus duration. Okay, so 15th May plus 45 days. Okay children, you know in the month of May there are 31 days. Okay, we can take the days from May. How many days? 15 to 31. So before 15 how many days are there? 14 days. So let us take the days from May. Okay, May, how many days? 31 minus 14. We have no need of the 14 days. We want from 15 to 31. Okay, so 31 minus 14, 17 days. So we can take the 17 days from May. Then after May, June. Okay, children, we need total 45 days now. Now already we have taken 17 days. The remainder, okay, let us check. 45 minus 17. 5 minus 7, we can't. So take 1 from this 4, then make it 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Then 3 minus 1, 2. We need 28 days more. So next month after May, June. We can take the 28 days from June. Okay, from June. How many days? 28 days. When we take the 28 days from June, which is the last day? 28th June. Okay. Did you get? Here we have to find the finishing date. 15th May plus. So first we took the days from month of May. Then we can take the days from May. How many days? 31 minus 14. Why? We take only from 15 to 31. Before 15 there are 14 days. We have no need of that. So subtract the 14 from the 31. Thus we got 17 days. So from the month of May we took 17 days. We need 28 days more because total 45 days we need. So 45 minus 17, 28. Okay. Then where can we take the 28 days from? Yes, we can take then from next month. Which is the next month after May? June. Okay. So let us take the 28 days from June. First 28 days. 1 to 28. There are 28 days. So last date 28th June. Therefore finishing date is equal to 28th June. Okay? Did you get? It is the question. What is the date of the last class? So, 28th June is the date of the last class. Okay. The seventh word problem. Bharat left for the US on 21st December for 20 days. Yes. He left for the US on 21st December for 20 days. On what date was he supposed to leave the US? Yes. Here starting date is given here. Duration is also given here. Here we have to find the finishing date. Okay. Starting date 21st December. Duration 20 days. Okay. Finishing date. To find the finishing date, what should we do? Yes. Here it is the date of leaving. Okay. Leaving. He leaves the US after 20 days. So, finishing date is equal to starting date plus duration. Starting date is 21st December plus duration 20 days. Okay children, first let us take the month of December. In December, how many days that we can take? Okay. Total number of the days in the month of December. Yes, there are total 31 days. So, 31 minus, it is started from 21st, no? So, before 21st, how many days are there? 20 days. So, we can subtract the 20 from this 31. Okay, 31 minus 20, 11 days. Okay. So, we can say we can take 11 days from the month of December. Okay, we can take 11 days from December. Okay. Then total we need 20 days, no? 20 minus 11 is 9. Okay. We need 9 days more. From where we can take that? Yes, from the next month. After December, January. Okay. From January, we need 9 days. We know January 1 to 9. There are 9 days. Okay. From January, we can take 9 days. Okay. When we take the 9 days from January, okay, the total duration 20 days are completed there. Thus, he will complete his 20 days on 9th January. Then, on the next day, he will return. Okay. Here we have to find the date he was supposed to leave the US. When he will leave the US? Yes, after 9th January. After 9th January, that is 10th January. So, our answer is, therefore, he will leave the US on 10th January. It is our answer. Did you get the reason? Yes, he has to spend 20 days from December 21st to December 31, there are 11 days. 11 days. When we subtract the 11 from the total, the 9 days are remained there. We can take the 9 days from January. So, it is up to 9th January. Then, he will return on 10th January. The duration only up to 9th January, isn't it? So, after 9th January, on 10th January, he will leave the US. Okay. The 8th word problem. The students of class 5 had their sports day on 5th February. Then, sports day was on 5th February. If they started practicing 35 days earlier, yes, they had started their practice 35 days earlier. On what date did the practice begin? Here we have to find the starting date. Let us take the finishing date as the sports day. That was on 5th February. Okay, so let us take that as the finishing date. Okay, finishing date 5th February. Duration 35 days. We have to find the starting date of the practicing. Last date, that is 5th February. Okay. Before 5th February, yes, there are 4 days. Here, did you see? We have to count backwards. Let us take the days from February. How many days? Up to 4th February we can take. Okay, first from February. Okay. How many days? Yes, 1 to 4. 4 days. So, 5th is finishing date. We can't add that. So, 4 days from February. And before February, January. Total number of days 35. When we subtract this 4 from 35, how many days are there? Yes, 35 minus 4, 31. We need 31 days more. So, we have to count backwards. How many days? 31 days. Which is the month before February? Before February, January. Okay, January. Okay, from January we can take 31 days. Total there are 31 days already. Okay, let us take that 31 days completely. Okay, 31 days. Children, now can you say which is the first day or starting day? Yes, January 1st. Okay. Therefore, the starting date of the practicing, that is starting date is equal to January 1st or 1st January. Okay, did you get how is it? Total days of practice 35 days. Okay, finishing date 5th February. So let us take the previous days, 4 days from February. Okay, from February 4 days. Let us take. Then we want 31 days more. When we subtract this 4 from 35, there are 31. Okay, let us take that 31 days from previous month. Here we count backwards now. So we should take the previous month. Previous month of February, that is January. Then there are already 31 days in January. We can take the days completely, 31 days. If it is, which is the first day? Yes, January 1st is the first day. Okay. Okay children, we were checking our homework. Okay. If there was any mistake, all of you should correct it. Okay children, let us meet in the next